This is in the wine color, as you can see. It's a pretty red color. This is a zipper. I think this is supposed to be the back. And it just really easy to unzip. It zips up here at the top. And on the inside, it's hard to see. You've got your extra strap, which makes it so you can carry it over your shoulder. Easy to attach. Just simply and there you go. This is the extra handle attacher thing. It's right here. And this is the front zipper, which is a little tougher to do, especially one-handed. But it really doesn't zip. There we go. Again, on the inside, it's hard to see. There's a little zipper compartment that I can pull out to show you. And there's one on the side. Not that you can kind of see it there. There we go. And then there's pockets inside as well. It's hard to see them, but there's two of them. And that's pretty much it. Really pretty. Oh.